Hello everyone. Today I'm taking this video not try to show you how to build a shimmer wall. If you are interested to watch the step-by-step tutorial about how to build this shimmer wall, click here for my old tutorial. Today I take this video just want to share you my experience about the color and the effect problem I found during I make the shimmer wall sample. Okay, look at the sequence. Look, it's like a mirror, so the effect will be affected by the surrounding circumstance and the light. Look, for example, now the color look like pink color, but if I put some blue color around the sequence, look, the color will change to blue also. Look. So you want to use this type of sequence panel to make the backdrop. You need to also consider the color of the material, like flower, like the light, like the ballroom setting around the backdrop. Or you can use this type of sequence panel. Look, this is not mirror effect. So it might be not so much easy to be affected by the surrounding material. Not sure, so I hope to get several more of this panel to make the backdrop sample to show you the effect. So I need your support, but do not skip the advertisement because I want to get revenue from YouTube to buy more material. Okay, look at the effect like this. And then let's check the difference if I turn on my warm light. Okay, look. Can you find some slightly difference? Maybe it's not much obviously, but actually I just want to share you that the light will affect the come out. Okay, there's another thing you should know. Behind the sequence is nothing, just some transparent plastic at the back. Look, for example, like this one. The back side will be look like this. Okay, so for this type of shimmer wall panel, the background of the backdrop, the background, like the curtain or the wall, will affect the come out of the backdrop setting also. Look, this is the effect, like this. And then let's check the effect after I take off the curtain. Okay, look, this is the effect after I take off the curtain. Look, because it's transparent, so the light will go through. So it's very important if you're using this type of backdrop panel, you need to consider where you put on the backdrop. Okay, then I will show you the effect after I put this backdrop on the cream wall. Okay, look. This is the effect after I put the backdrop in front of the wall. So the come out will be the most pretty. So the backdrop color for this type of panel will be very important. And the advantage of this backdrop because it's very clean, very transparent, so it will be look much more elegant compared with other type of backdrop panel. In fact, I hope I have chance to make you a sample by using this type panel with the same color, and also make another sample by using this type of panel also, but using the square sequence, so we can compare the effect, the difference. So hope you can support me by do not skip the advertisement, because I can get the revenue and buy more the panel from the factory to make the sample. Okay, look at this effect. After I put a pink color of fabric behind the shimmer wall, can you check the difference? And since it's transparent, we can use the fabric which the color close to the sequin, or you can use other color. If you're good at the color match, I think the come out will be very pretty and special. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put a white fabric behind the shimmer wall. So you capture the effect. And compare with this type of fabric, we cannot change the color or make the color match with the package because they already have the black ball behind the sequin. Okay, this is today's tutorial. And no matter which type of the panel, the shimmer wall not recommend to be put on the backlight circumstance. And I take this video just want to share you some experience I got when I make this backdrop by using this type of panel, so that you can take a reference before you order this type of panel. And in the future, I hope I have chance to make a sample by using this type of panel to share with you about the advantage and shortage I found, just for your reference. Okay, anyway, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye. If you are interested to order the shimmer wall panel from me, firstly, please pick the type of the panel you are interested to order. So firstly, pick the type of the panel you would like to buy. And then on the information field below the video, you can find the link to my blog. To pick the color you like, look, there's the color chart. Pick the color you like. And then visit my Facebook page to send me a message for the quotation will be okay.